Hello everyone. So it's the start of the new year and it's around about this time that we all tend to be quite reflective and look at the year that's been and at where we think things might be going in the year ahead. So 2020 was such an up and down year that it largely speaks for itself, and for that reason I won't dwell on it very much longer. But I would, however, like to tell you about three things that I think investors should be looking at as we head into 2021. So as always, these are my personal views and I really hope that they're of interest to you. So to kick off, in my opinion, the first major thing that investors need to watch for in 2021 are the decisions and the policies of the incoming US President Joe Biden. So investors need to really pay attention to any news around trade, economic policies, and particularly anything around foreign policy and the US's attitude to its relations with China. So before the US election in November, markets were really quite focused on Mr. Biden's tax plans, which is a valid concern, but is one that has largely fallen by the wayside over recent weeks. But it does have the potential to cause some change in corporate profitability and also to individuals' ability to consume, which in the case of the US is a big part of their economy. So secondly, it largely goes without saying that investors need to watch for the progress of COVID-19, both in terms of spread of the disease, but also in vaccine deployment. But look at it through this prism. So bear in mind that at their core, investment markets are really just discounting tools. They discount future cash flows back to a known value today. Now, the speed of vaccine rollout and the effectiveness of vaccines can really change that future corporate cash flow, which can therefore by extension potentially change share market valuations. So lastly, we have our old friend, the central banks. So having spectacularly rode to the rescue in March of last year with various financial assistance packages that have been very effective at calming markets, investors need to watch for any sign of a change in the tone or the language from the world's major central bankers. So central bank stimulus, or to put it another way, involvement in markets through one route or another, has arguably been a real driver of market direction over recent years. And I have no reason to suspect that this year will be any different. So it's definitely one to watch. So there you have it, my top three things that investors should look for in 2021. So I hope this is really useful in your own investing journey. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please do like, comment and share. I really do appreciate it. Thanks.